Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from PIXcompose, and today we are going to discuss about a trick which will be very useful for you, and this one is the mathematics trick in the Photoshop. So we are going to change the values in the Photoshop with the mathematics formula. How it will work? Like I want to change the opacity and I want to make it 1/3 of its current value. How we can do that? Like I am going to select this one, this layer. So here you can see that we have this icon. Now I want it on 33% value, which will be 1/3 of the 100%. Here you can see that we have the opacity, and now we want to divide it with the 3. For that I will click here. Now I will add a divide sign like this slash. Now I will enter 3 like this. Now we can press enter. You can see that we have a new value which is 33%, and in this way you can do anything. You can increase the canvas size. This formula works everywhere in the Photoshop, so you can use it in your own way. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any doubts you can ask me anytime. All the social media links are provided in the description. If you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon for the further notifications of these type of videos. Thanks for watching.